This is
Gregor Mendel. He's a German priest. During the mid-1800s, he conducted his famous test on pea plants. It was through these tests that he formulated the hypothesis that every person inherits a set of genes that shapes who everyone is and what they look like.
These genes?
no.
Oh, purr.
It really is too bad that among the list of his failures, along with things like being denied the ability to be a teacher because he was stupid, is the sad fact that it would not be until after his death that his work would be discovered and end up replacing the current beliefs of how people were made. So kids, after Gregor Mendel died, in about the year 1900, all of the entire scientific community started to change their view on everything. After Mendel's work had been discovered, everyone started to ask, what if? This put a bunch of light bulbs in people's heads like you see in cartoons. And everyone started to do their own new research to figure out what was possible. And things that people only imagined became reality. This all started in about 1920 with first blood typing. After that, through the use of different criminal methods and all of that criminal investigation stuff you see on TV like CSI, we started to figure out how to sequence DNA and figure out who committed crimes. Isn't that interesting, guys? Yeah. So remember, never kill your neighbor and pee in a cup. So to get to the heart of all of these issues that sprung from this DNA testing, we have brought in a plethora of different educational resources. First, we have a researcher here who's an expert on stem cells. We also will be discovering the possibilities with cloning and determining how eugenics becomes very possible to many people. At the very end, we'll have a dramatization of cell mutation and how that may not be in the very distant future. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the facts.
So, Mr. Doctor.
Hey, girl.
What are stem cells and why are they so controversial?
Stem cells are derived at like conception, baby making. And they grow up to like form your own cells that, help you mature. And I think the reason why they're so controversial is because, they're used from like babies that are about to be aborted. And most people have problems with abortion. But, stem cells can be really helpful.
So in your opinion, do you think that continued testing on stem cells is worthwhile?
Yeah, girl. Oh, did you want me to go in depth on that?
Yes, please.
Well, Lou Gehrig's disease? Well, stem cell research has done some pretty good stuff in that. It also solves like cancer and stuff. Most of that's my kind of research. I'm a doctor,
So one last question. How do you feel about turtles?
I'm more of a dog person, honestly.
Well, I love turtles.
Okay. I mean, if you like turtles, that's not a problem with me.
Excuse me, doctor?
What's the matter with you? Why are you crying?
My wife just died, and I heard y'all did cloning. And
Yes, sir.
I have this preserved DNA of her. Do you think you can help me and make a new wife?
You have her DNA.
Yes, sir.
Creep. Yes, we can fix this.
You can?
Yes, you ain't special.
I can get my wife back.
Yeah. Okay, our first candidate.
Hey, hubby.
No.
Okay. Okay, here's our second candidate.
You're taking care of cooking and cleaning, right?
Closer, but no.
Ow. Get in there. Okay, I think this one's the best. Third candidate?
Hi!
Ew, no.
Oh, okay. Get in there. Okay, fourth candidate.
She's perfect!
Oh, the happy couple. Another success. You guys.
I can't believe we're having a baby!
Finally!
Okay, so let's review. You want a girl with blonde hair, straight, no freckles, an oval face, and no illness. Stand up for me, please, sir. About 5'9", with a slim build. Does that sound okay?
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Okay, I drew up a picture. Here.
She's beautiful! But can we make her nose a little bit smaller?
Uh-huh.
And a dove-shaped birthmark on her shoulder blade.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, it's super, super smart!
Uh-huh.
And all the charisma of a Disney princess.
Is that all?
I think so.
Yeah?
Okay, that's great. Let's do this.
Doctor! Doctor! We have another one!
What happened?
I don't know what happened. Really, I had this one cell left. I think he got vaporized by something.
It's fine, but I have this one syringe that will keep it alive.
Oh no! It's growing! Oh no!
Like, hey.
Reporter Gregor Mendel here, about to descend into the original basement of the Supreme Court of the United States, where the justices are ruling on genetic testing.
All rise for Chief Justice Switzenberg.
We welcome you all today. We have reached a verdict on stem cell research. With more is Justice Nathan Hollier.
Thank you. We have finally reached a verdict on our stem cell research. As of right now, Congress has passed a law that says that stem cell research is legal, but the United States Supreme Court has ruled that it must be done without government funding. As for today's ruling, stare decisis. We shall let it stand. This is how things should be. Thank you very much.
We have also reached a verdict on cloning. With more, Mackenzie Carlin.
We, the Supreme Court, have ruled cloning constitutional. However, Congress has passed a plethora of laws making cloning complicated for the everyday individual. Additionally, cloning research is expensive.
We have also reached a verdict on eugenics. We feel that as a majority in religious affiliation with the United States of America, genetic altering of babies and soldiers should be prohibited at this time. We have also reached a verdict on cell mutation and gene targeting. With more, Justice Ty Sides.
Because this is such a new field, not much has been explored on this. However, we feel as if there should be some restrictions and regulations on this. Specifically, we should limit this to government laboratories.
With this, we bring a close to our court meeting. Chief Justice, we are adjourned.
What a productive day in the Supreme Court basement.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's raining men! Hallelujah! It's raining men! Amen!
Well, that was quite interesting. I suppose that wraps things up here. Try not to clone yourselves at graduation this year. And remember, you're not special.
That's my line!
So, Mr. Doctor,
Edgar.
what are stem cells
sorry.
about? So, Mr. Doctor,
Edgar.
what are they so controversial?
Why are you so cute? I'm just kidding, I forgot the line. Well, actually, you're gonna be on your phone for like 2 seconds, and then you're on the table.
Okay. Are you good?
Are you
I've been recording for 10 seconds.
Okay, go.
All rise for Chief Justice Switzenberg.
Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Dismissed!
We can't do that if that's the third one.
Well, let's cut that out!
You can
Yeah.
just cut out.
I suppose we're done here. Try not to clone yourself during graduation.
Hey, baby, you didn't say you ain't.
I was just about to.
Oh,
I was gonna turn around.
that'll be a good blooper. Let's go.